Hi guys, welcome to the San Francisco School of Copywriting, Copywriting to Go mini course of pro tips with me, Amanda Caswell. I am the founder of AdBuzz PR, an advertising and public relations agency in New Jersey, and I use these pro tips all the time, every day in my work. Pro tip number 8, keep it brief. When you make your message clear and concise, you remove any clutter that may slow you down as a buyer. If your audience understands the benefits your product or service provides and the offer, they will more than likely jump on it as quickly as possible. Always stay simple and direct. I don't know about you, but sometimes I have seen advertisements, particularly direct mail advertisements, and I'm like, what's the offer here? I don't know. It's so much copy. There's so much clutter. I don't know. Or even an advertisement on television. You'll love an ad, and then you're like, okay, what were they selling? So many times the advertiser just goes over the top. And the best way is to just keep it brief. Keep your message clear and concise so your consumer knows what the call to action is. Pro tip, back up your claims. For this and more, sign up for Copywriting 101, or if you are a little bit more advanced and perhaps you are already doing copy at your business or actually work at an advertising agency, then sign up for the masterclass. You can find these classes at sanfranciscoschoolofcopywriting.com. See you next time.